Hello everyone, this is Nandini from CAD NEST RR Nagar. In today's session we'll be continuing with the extended draw tools of AutoCAD. Next one I have Wipeout. Wipeout is nothing but a patchwork wherein you need not be make visible with certain parts. So sometimes in the print you need to hide a specific region in the print part, and but still you don't want it to be deleted from your project. At that time I'll be taking up the wipeout. For example, I don't want this circle to be visible in my print, but still circle should be there in my project. So I'll take up a wipeout and I'll be creating the region. See, like this I'm creating a specific region so that this should not be visible. Enter. See, the circle will not be visible, so whatever I have it here, it will not be visible when I give a print. So this is how I create a wipeout. So if I delete this, if I delete the region created, I'll be getting back my circle. So if wipeout is removed, the object which is being placed over there will be visible. So this is wipeout option. So after wipeout we have 3D polyline. So polyline, the same way whatever we have in the polyline here, in the same way I'll be working on here also, but only difference is I can run in all axes. That is, in 3D I can run in all the axes like X, Y and Z. So this is how 3D polyline works. So after 3D polyline we have helix. So helix, I'm gonna create a helix and I'm specifying the inner dia as well as outer dia and then height. Now I'll be rotating it in 3D using a shift option. You can see I have an helix which has been created in 3 dimensions. So this is how we create helix option. So after helix we have donut option. Take donut, specify inner dia and then specify outer dia. So outer dia and then start clicking. So this is how you specify donuts. So I hope you have understood wipeout, 3D polyline, helix and donut in today's session. In tomorrow's session we'll be learning with further drawing tools. Thank you.